everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn exercise 2.2 question number 1, that is second part, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So here first let's read the question, that is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. And here we have the question. So first part is in my previous video, please see my previous video. And here we have our second question, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So first we have to split the middle term. So here the middle term is minus 4s. So how to split the middle term? That is, first let's multiply this and this. Okay, I'll write it here, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Let's multiply 4 and 1, that becomes 4s square. So after multiplying this, that is the 4s and 1 we get, when we multiply we get again 4s square. And now next we have to take the LCM of 4. So 2 2s is 4 and again 2 and 1. So here we got 2 and 2. So here we can say that this 4s can be written as 2 and 2, that is 2 plus 2 is 4. So here 2 plus 2 is 4, then we can split the middle term here. Okay, I can write 4s square as now 4s as 2 and 2. Okay, so here I write it down as minus 2s. Here we have minus sign, so here I took it minus 2s plus 1. Okay, now let's take the common here and here. So here we have the common 2s. 4 will come in 2 table also, 2 will come in 2 table also. So 2 2s is 4 and s square means s into s. 1 s I took here and again other s is remaining and minus 1. And here here we don't have anything common, so let's take 1. That is 1 will come in both table also, so I took 1 common, that is 2s plus 1. Okay, now I took common here. Now here s minus 1 and s minus again s minus 1. So that will become 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, that becomes 2s. And here minus 1 is there, minus 1 when it comes on the other side, that becomes plus 1. And this 2 is multiplied with s, and other side it will come and become divide with 1, so that becomes 1. Again same, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0 and minus 1 on the other side plus 1, and this 2 other side divide by 1. So we got here 2 zeros, that is 1 by 2 and again 1 by 2. Now let's find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. First is the sum of zeros. Okay, so what is the sum of zeros formula? That is coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. Here minus, never forget to put minus here. Okay, now what is the sum of zeros means we should add the zeros. So here our zeros are 1 by 2 and again 1 by 2. Now let's add this. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to coefficient of s. So here you can see that coefficient of s is minus 4. So here I'll write as minus. First we have minus here, so minus, I'll scratch this, minus by coefficient of s, that is minus 4, and by coefficient of s square. So coefficient of s square is again 4, so I'll write here again 4. Okay, now next, now see that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is, you can see here, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 is nothing but half. So half plus half is 1. So that becomes 1. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes 1 and is equal to minus minus it becomes plus. So 4 by 4. So now 4 ones is 4, that becomes, now when we divide 4 and 4 we get 1. So here you can see that the sum of zeros is equal to this formula, that is we got 1 equals to 1. Now let's find the product of zeros. Now I'll write as product of zeros. So the formula to find the product of zeros is constant term by coefficient of x square. Okay, so product of zeros is, we got here zeros 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So when we multiply this, now product is, we should multiply this zeros, that is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, now here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and constant term. So here constant term is 1. Okay, so constant term is 1. I'll write the constant term here. And the coefficient of x square. So here you can see the coefficient of x square is 4. Okay, so I'll write 4 here. So 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 2 is 4, that is 2 into 2 is, when we take 2 into 2 we get 4, and here 1 into 4. So you can see the product of zeros, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 we got 1 by 4, and here constant term by coefficient of x square we got 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So here you can see it was the end. It was the end of the question number first, second part. In the next video let's see the question 3, that is third sub question. So if you like our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.